Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Eric from Morris 4x4 Center again, coming back at you with another product video. Now today we have Bill Vickers in the house from Alpine, and he brought the brand new Restyle unit for the Wranglers, the X209 WRA. Now guys, let me tell you, this is the flagship radio that Alpine manufactures. It has a ton of features, and I had to bring the experts in because there's just too many to talk about. I had to get some expert help. So Bill, thanks for coming in.
Thank you, Eric. We appreciate it.
Definitely. And why don't you tell us a little bit about this Restyle
so I will.
unit.
And as you said, this is the flagship piece that's built for Wranglers. It's a very specific unit. This is the X209 FreeStyle unit for your Jeep Wranglers. This unit is the one that has your DVD, CD, MP3, WMA, ACC, FLAC files, built-in turn-by-turn navigation, voice guidance, all the above.
Wow, that's awesome. So the built-in navigation, now I know this is also Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capable, which would use your navigation from your device, but the built-in nav, so let's say you run out of cell phone signal, you've got that right there in the radio.
Right, precisely. So that's the differentiation is that yes, you do have that Android Auto and CarPlay, but it also has built-in embedded navigation inside the unit. And mind you also, this is a plug-and-play unit that's built for your Jeep Wrangler. So this plugs and plays. It has a black box. This black box enables you to be able to retain all your factory features, be it whether it's your steering wheel controls or tire sensors, warning lights that you can reset, all those types of things.
Wow, that's great. A ton of control right from basically a touchscreen. I love that.
Yeah, from the touchscreen, and that touchscreen in this unit, by the way, is also all weather as well. So if you get caught in a rainstorm, whatever that it may be, you don't really have to worry about it. It's all weatherproof.
Okay, and also, you know, I heard some features about that screen. You know, a lot of people were complaining that when their tops were off, they really couldn't see the screen depending on the glare from the sun. I heard you guys kind of took care of that problem.
Yeah, we sure did. There's a technical process that we did on the screen by taking a laminate that's in between, so there's no washout. You can see it during the day. It looks great. It's really bright. During nighttime, it auto dims and everything else, so it works really, really flawless as far as using it in the application, whether you're using it with your top on or with your top off.
Okay.
And then also at the same time, Eric, some really kind of cool things is that you also get your Pandora, your iHeartRadio, your Spotify. You can also buy the optional Sirius XM tuner box that you can plug into it if you're doing Sirius as far as a source for the unit as well. There's also a HDMI input. So if you have any type of devices that you're using that have HDMI inputs, you can use it. With this one, because it has that DVD player in there, that one's taken, but there's an optional box so that you can actually add on multiple HDMI inputs.
Okay, so HDMI inputs, we're talking, you know, cameras. Obviously, the DVD player's already there, so you can do any type of, like, maybe a gaming device, for example?
Yep, you sure can, or any type of DVD or overhead in the rear or something of that type nature.
Okay.
You also have Bluetooth, so you can talk on your phone Bluetooth. You can also Bluetooth audio as well, so that's really neat. And then probably one of the coolest features of this is it has the ability to put our accessory controller.
Yeah,
and that's one of the most popular items. Well, also the camera as well, the Jeep specific camera, but you also have the accessory controller, and now you have the ability with all your inside your Jeep to be able to turn on your lights on and off, your winch in and out, whatever that you may want to do there.
Okay, awesome. Yeah, I've definitely played with those features before, especially you guys that have those the tire air systems. You can actually inflate, deflate your tires. I mean, basically any accessory you can plug on your Jeep, you can control right from a touchscreen from this Restyle unit. I've been messing with them. I love all those little buttons and stuff. I'm a gear guy myself. That is definitely the best feature in my personal opinion.
Yeah, and I agree with you. I love the buttons and controls, and being able to do that right from the face of the unit. Now for the second most popular accessory that you can put onto this, you can also have the multi-camera switcher. And with the multi-camera switcher, you're enabled to be able to plug in 3 different cameras. So you can use that really cool Wrangler specific rear view camera, and then you can also add one to the front and then maybe onto the side, or maybe some of you rock folks maybe want one that's underneath.
Yeah, that's definitely very handy. I know I've seen a lot of those different camera systems out there, but to be able to incorporate that into basically, you know, a factory location right there in the center, it's very accessible. That's awesome. This is definitely this is their flagship radio for sure. It's an amazing piece. So this definitely is the flagship radio that Alpine offers. It's got a ton of key features. Bill, thanks for coming down, because there's so many features, there's no way I would have been able to talk about all of them. That's just, I'm glad we have the experts in the house. And guys, of course, you can find these radios on our website, www.morse4x4center.com, and all of the accessories as well. Like you said, the multi-camera switcher and that Wrangler specific spare tire mounted camera. Definitely check that out. That's going to pair very well with this radio. So Bill, thank you so much for coming. We appreciate it. And we'll see you in the next video, guys.
Thank you.